Welcome to our insanely short lesson on frequency distributions. A frequency distribution, you've probably seen them before, maybe heard of them being called histograms, and it's basically just a graph that shows you how many data values you have at each class, or in this case, each individual value. Sometimes you'll put them in classes. Like you could put all the scores on a test and you'd group them by 100 to 90 because those are all the A's, and then 89 to 80 because those are all the B's. So you can have classes, and then the height of all of these little rectangles just tells you how many you have. You can see over here it says frequency. And sometimes you can have a relative frequency where instead of actual numbers, it's percentages, but it's all the same darn thing. And to understand what's really going on here, here's the number in Excel. So here are our heights, right? Here's how many we had in each of those heights. We had a total of 1,000 pieces of data. If you sum all this up, it adds up to 1,000. And I put this one sideways so you can see that the curve, right, the shape of this distribution mimics the numbers in your frequency distribution table. This would be considered the table right here, the table of values. And this is just your frequency distribution graph. Here's your histogram, prettier, made horizontal, and with all the things at the bottom. But that's exactly like this picture here. It's relatively normal because it's relatively bell shape. The only other thing you need to worry about is if something is skewed left or skewed right. This one is skewed to the right because you can see there's a long tail off to the right. So whichever direction has the longer tail, that's the direction of the skew. This one's skewed right. If it had a big tail on the left, it'd be skewed left. And that's it. That's all you need to know about these things.